Planning, getting weather, a lot of people working behind the scenes to essentially make this happen.
Selecting the right crew mix, making sure everybody's qualified in the tasks that we're going to be performing, not only on the flight portion, but the academics that go in with completing those tasks.
During the show, we did what we call a helo-cast. Both the aircraft go down about 10 feet off the water to deploy whatever customer we have. In this case, it was one of the Special Forces groups. This is definitely the biggest one that I've done, probably the coolest as well.
It's almost like we can hear them, but just seeing everybody's arms going up in the air, being so excited that we're there and happy to be there, it's really motivating to see that kind of energy.
Every flight hour I get is now me doing something that I once thought was impossible. So do it, try it, have fun. I mean, I think the only regret you would have is if you go through your whole life and you're like, man, I wish I did that.